Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jex Kicks, and today we have an unboxing of the Bred Reimagined. And yes, I did get a W on the shock drop, so I'm definitely excited for this. And I'm super happy that they came in early. Normally shock drops do come in pretty fast, so let's just get right into it, man. All right, so here is the box. As you guys can see here, got the Nike Air logo. This is a size 14 as well. Really nice, man. Hey, let me know if you guys got them. I know like a lot of people actually did get a W on this shoe. I mean, it wasn't that hard to get from what I've seen from people getting W's. Here's the box as well. Inside. All right, and here are the shoes. Let's just check them out, man. They just came in too, so let's go. Oh, wow. Dang. And here we go, man. Here they are. Now, this is crazy. So far, I have every reimagined shoe except for the Royals. I did not go for them at launch, but I probably will pick them up since they are discounted like heavily. So I'll probably go for those, but I have two pairs of the Lost and Founds. I got the Reimagined 3s, got the Reimagined 4s, and then I'll probably get the Royals down the line as well. But man, this is really cool. I see a little bit of scuffs on this pair right here. Right there, you guys see that little light mark right here? Yeah, that sucks, but it's nothing too bad. I might go for a second pair at launch as well. I'm not too sure, we'll see. Probably wouldn't hurt just to go for it at launch as well, just to get a second pair. But really nice, man. And you know, the resale price isn't going too crazy too, so I'm pretty sure at launch you'll definitely be able to get them. But here is the shoe right here, man. Here's the left shoe. As you can see here, got the Flight and the Jordan logo on there. The inside it says Jordan, Air Jordan, I'm sorry. And we get a hang tag. We also get a hang tag. Now let me know, do you guys rock the shoes with the hang tag or without? Me personally, I rock them without the hang tag because it kind of gets in the way sometimes when you're walking and stuff. Definitely cool. It comes with a hang tag that says Nike Air on it, which is really cool. Got the Nike Air on the back as well. Got the Nike logo on the bottom. And it says Nike on the inside as well. I don't even know if you guys can see it. But overall, the quality so far seems pretty cool. I mean, I do see a little bit of scuffs. Just like what that one little scuff mark. You do see a little bit of glue. But it's really not too bad when it comes to quality. It's definitely not too bad. Oh, actually, I do see a little scratch here too. But, you know, it's that leather. That leather quality, you know, that's what's going to happen when you have the leather material, so. And obviously comes with black laces. And here's the right shoe as well. Bottom, got the Nike Air. Or that's just the Nike, I'm sorry. And you got the Air Jordan, the Nike Air as well. The Flight. Same thing. You already know. Gonna get the same details. But yeah, really nice, man. Hey, I'm definitely glad I got this shoe. These were definitely a must-have for the collection. First dub of 2024, I'll definitely take that, man. This shoe is really cool. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about the Bred Reimagined. Really nice shoe. Highly suggest you guys pick it up. Especially if you guys didn't get a W on the shock drop or you missed it. Definitely go for them on the 17th because this is definitely going to be a must-have shoe, and it's gonna sell out, but I'm pretty sure they might have restocks as well, especially since resale price isn't too crazy. Shouldn't be that hard to get them, so yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching Jex Kicks. Make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel, Jex Gaming, as well. Link for all that stuff will be in the description down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.